Hello guys. Welcome to DIY Tech. Complete guide to install Wavlink drivers manually. The process to install the drivers is quite easy for both Windows and Mac. Follow the given below instruction to complete the process. Steps to install Wavlink drivers for Windows. Connect your computer or laptop to the Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser of your choice. You can pick any browser like Opera, Safari, Edge, Firefox, or Chrome. Make sure that your internet browser is upgraded to its latest version. Apart from this, also clear all the cache, cookies, and browser history. Type www.wavlink.com in the address bar. Go to the support or download sections and find the drivers particular to the device model or operating system. Verify that you have downloaded the latest version. Once the file is downloaded, it's time to install it on the computer. For this, detect the download file, usually a .exe or .mc file, on your client device. Now, double-click the file to open an installation wizard. Click on the Manage option and select the Driver Manager. After that, click the USB adapter and then select Upgrade the driver. Head over to the Have Disk Browse, find the file you unzipped before. Go to rtwlanu_driver, select your system, choose the .inf file. Now, click OK and then Next to complete the installation process. Once done, click on the Finish option. Now, you need to power cycle your computer to finalize the installation procedure. Steps to install Wavlink drivers for Mac. Double-click on the drivers file you previously downloaded it. After that, go to the Install Display Link Manager window. Here, click Continue to the next window, then click Agree. Now, select Install and choose Use Password. Fill in the screen password and click Install Software. Wait for a few seconds till the installation process is complete, then click Close. Thanks for watching.